Welcome to my new video. Today, I'll show you how to create a home screen shortcut for a file or folder using your file manager. First, open your file manager app and navigate to the file or folder you want to create a shortcut for. Long press on the file or folder to select it. Look for the option in the menu that says Add to Home Screen or Create Shortcut. Tap on that option and a prompt will appear asking for confirmation. Once you confirm, the shortcut will be added directly to your phone's home screen. You can now access the file or folder with just one tap. That's it for this quick tutorial. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more useful tips.